To accurately calculate the total electrical load for a residence, it's important to follow a specific sequence. Firstly, calculate the base load of the house. This is determined by multiplying the square footage of the house by 3 volt amps. Secondly, add in the dedicated appliance circuits for the laundry and small appliance circuits. This is typically calculated at 4,500 volt amps. Thirdly, derate the base load. This involves reducing the base load by 25% to account for the fact that not all circuits will be fully loaded simultaneously. Fourthly, once you have the derated base load, then you add the specific appliance loads such as the dishwasher, garbage disposal, and trash compactor. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose we have a house with 2,000 square feet. Firstly, the base load calculation would be 2,000 square feet multiplied by 3 volt amps, resulting in 6,000 volt amps. Secondly, add the laundry and small appliance load, which is 4,500 volt amps. Thirdly, the base load needs to be derated. This means reducing the 6,000 volt amps by 25%. The calculation for this is 6,000 volt amps multiplied by 0.25, which equals 1,500 volt amps. Subtract this 1,500 volt amps from the original 6,000 volt amps, leaving a derated base load of 4,500 volt amps. Fourthly, we add in the specific appliance loads. Let's assume a dishwasher with a 1.2 kV amp load, a garbage disposal with a 0.6 kV amp load, and a trash compactor with a 0.8 kV amp load. Converting these to volt amps, we have 1,200 volt amps for the dishwasher, 600 volt amps for the garbage disposal, and 800 volt amps for the trash compactor. To determine the total load, we add the derated base load, which is 4,500 volt amps, to the sum of the specific appliance loads. The sum of the specific appliance loads is 1,200 volt amps plus 600 volt amps plus 800 volt amps, which equals 2,600 volt amps. Adding this to the derated base load of 4,500 volt amps, we get a total load of 7,100 volt amps. Therefore, the total load for this example is 7,100 volt amps.